Hello students, in this class we will learn about comparison. We will compare different type of numbers, units, and we will try to find out which number is greater, which number is less, or are the numbers are equal or not. Okay, so let's try with an example and you will tell me which number is greater or smaller. Example number 1, tell me 10 is greater or 125 is greater. Yes, you know 125 is greater, you know that. We will use this and this symbol to represent. This side will be greater and this side will be smaller one. Okay, the mouth will open on greater number. This symbol mouth will open on greater number. The mouth should be opened at the side of greater number. If the numbers are equal, we will use equal sign. Okay, here you know this number is greater. Okay, so mouth should be open the greater number side and this corner should be at the lesser number side. Okay, come to the second example. Here is 129 and here is 1208. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. 1208. Now you tell me which number is greater? Yes, 1208. Okay, let's take one more example. Here is 296 and here is 435. Now tell me which number is greater? Yes, this number is greater, so the symbol would be like this. Here is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 11,296 and here 435. So we know 11,000 is much greater than 435. So by looking at these examples, you can see that if we don't see the digit, if we only count the digits in a number, then we can find out here how many digits are there in this number 10. 2, 1, 2, and in 125 1, 2, 3 digits are there. Whenever the number of digits will be greater, the number will be greater. If the number of digits in a number are greater, that number will be greater. Okay, let's count here. Number of digits. How many digits here? 2. How many digits here? Count 1, 2, 3. 3 digits are there. What have I told you? That if the number of digits are greater in any number, that number will be greater. Okay, look here whether I am telling you correct or not. Number of digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. Okay. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. There is 4 in this number. The digits are in this number 1208. The number of digits are 4. 129. Number of digits are 3. So here the number of digits are more. So this number will be greater. Now let's count here. Number of digits. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many number of digits? 5. Count here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this number have how many number of digits? 5 number of digits. And this number have only 3 digits. Okay. This number has how many digits? 5 digits. This number has 3 digits. So number of digits are greater in this number, so this number will be greater. And here are in 435 number of digits are less, so this number will be less. Okay, so now we will look on big digits and try to find out which one is greater and which one is smaller. Let me scroll down the page. Okay, now look here. This will be example number 4. Yes. Okay, what we will do, we will count the number of digits and we will decide which number is greater and which number is smaller. Okay, count 1 2 3 4 5 6. Number of digits are 6. Count here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Number of digits are 8. So which number should be greater? This number should be greater. Okay, now let's take the another example. Okay, now count the number of digits. Count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, count here 1 2 3 4 5. Only 5 digits. So which number should be greater? This number should be greater. Okay, understood? Good. Now let's take one more example. Okay, count number of digits. Count the number of digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. The number of digits are 10 in this number, and in this number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This number has 8 digits and this number has 10 digits. So this number should be greater. Okay. Now you will ask, if the number of digits are same, then what will we do? Okay, let's take one example and then we will see what we need to do there. Okay, now what is if we want to compare the number, what we need to do first? First we will count the digits. Okay, count. Count 1 2 3 4 5 5. Okay, count here 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, both number have 5 digits. So what we need to do second, if both the numbers have equal number of digits, then we need to compare the digits. Okay, we need to compare which digit is greater and which digit is smaller, and this time we will start from left hand side. Okay, first we will compare this. Okay, this side and this. Which one is greater? 5 is greater. Number of digits are same in both the number of digits are same. This number have 5 digits, this number have 5 digits. So then we have to compare the digits. Okay, so we will start from left hand side. If this is 4 and suppose this is also 4, then we will check the next digit. This is 3, this is 3. Okay, if this is 5, this is 6. Okay, we will find some difference there. Okay, so here is 4, here is 5. Which one is greater? 5 is greater, so this number will be greater. Okay, let's take some more examples and try to learn. Okay, now first what we need to do, first of all we will have to count the digits. Okay, okay, count the digits. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 digits in this number. 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 digit. Okay, both the number have 6 digits. Okay, now what is the second step? We have to compare the digits. Okay, from the left hand side we will compare this number 6, here is 6. Okay, here is also 6. Now we will compare the next one. Here is 4. Oh, the second place also 4, same. Okay, then we have to see the next number. Okay, let's check the next number. Next number is 3. Okay, oh, here also next number is 3. Okay, same number, so we have to go on next number. Okay, let's check the next number. This one is 9. Okay, and here, oh, we found the difference. Here is 8. Okay, here is 9 and here is 8. So we found the difference here. Okay, so which one is greater, 9 or 8? 9. So this number will be greater. Okay, let's take one more example like this. Okay, so what is the first step? First step is to count the number of digits. Okay, count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8 digits. Count here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8 digits. Okay, both the numbers have 8 digits. So what is the second step? We have to match the digits from left hand side. Okay, match. Here is 7, here is 7. Okay, second, here is 4, here is 4. Okay, then we have to go to next digit. 6, 6. Okay, 3, 3. Okay, 6, 6. 1, 1. 2, 1. Okay, here we found the difference. Here is 2 and here is 1. Okay, so now we can stop. Which is greater, 2 or 1? 2. Yes, so this number will be greater. Okay, understood? Good. Okay, now let's take a different type of example. Okay. This time we will compare the units. Okay. Number given with the units. Here is 20 centimeter and here is 1 meter. Okay. Now which one should be greater? First of all, you need to learn that here we can't compare the numbers because units are different. Here is centimeter, here is meter. You need to learn this thing. When you want to compare something, they should have the same unit. They should have the same unit. Either both of them should be meter or both of them should be centimeter. Okay, we will always try to convert big unit into a smaller unit. Big unit into a smaller unit. So which one is the bigger unit, centimeter or meter? Meter. Okay, we will convert the meter part into centimeter. Okay, tell me, 1 meter equals to how much centimeter? I have told you in the previous class, 100 centimeter. Very good. Okay, so here will be 20 centimeter and 1 meter equals to how much centimeter? 100 centimeter. Okay, now both the digits are in centimeter, both the units are in centimeter, so we can compare the digits. Here is 20, here is 100. Which one is greater? 100 is greater. Good. So this one is greater. Very good. Let's take another example. Here is 3 kilogram and here is 4025 gram. Okay, you need to compare both of them. Which one is greater? So first of all, you have both the numbers, both the given weight should have same unit. Here is kilogram and here is gram. Now you know how to change kilogram into gram. Okay, so tell me, 3 kilogram equals to how much gram? What you need to do? You need to add 3 zeros, 3000 gram. Very good. So here is 3000 gram and here is 4025 gram. Which one is greater? Oh sir, we don't know whether 4025 is greater or 3000 is greater. Okay, no issue. Let's follow the same rule. Number of digits. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4. Count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, same number of digits. So what is the next step? We have to compare the digits. Here is 3. Here is 4. Which one is greater? 4 is greater. So this number will be greater. Okay, good. Let's take some more example. Okay, this time we should take 5 liter and 4325 milliliter. Okay, here is liter, here is milliliter. So what you need to do? First of all, you need to convert both of them into same. This is milliliter, this is liter. We will convert liter into milliliter. We will convert big unit into a smaller unit. Which one is bigger, liter or milliliter? Liter. Okay, so 5 liter means 5000 milliliter. 4325 milliliter. Now tell me which one is greater? 4000. So 5 liter is greater. Okay. So this type you can check the units by converting them into the same unit. If liter and milliliter is given, you will convert them into milliliter. If kilogram or gram is given, you will convert the kilogram into gram and then you will compare the digits. Okay, let's take one more. Here is 60 kilogram and here is 60,000 gram. Okay, let's check which one is. So first of all we will have to change kilogram into gram. So what we need to do, we have to add 3 zeros, 1 2 3. Here is same digit. What do you see, both the digits are same, so these are same, means 60 kilogram is equal to 6000 gram. Okay, now you understand how to compare the units. Okay, so I will send one worksheet with you and you need to complete it. Okay, thank you.